And now, firmly press your palms on the mat. Fingers wide open. Notice the discoloration of your fingertips as you firmly press them on the ground. Keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. Imagine you want to pluck the grass out of the park. And now relax, relax, relax. And now we will move the shoulders forward. Move your shoulders as forward as possible. Use your fingers as your braking system. Notice the pressure on your fingertips. 1, keep your core engaged. 2, 3, keep your core engaged. 4, 5, come back to the neutral position. Press the mount of your palms down. And move your hips back. Press the heel of your palms down. Keep pressing the heel of your palms on the mat. And now keep moving your shoulders back and forth. Notice how the weight distributes in your palm. As you move your shoulders forward, use your fingertips as your braking system. And exhale, relax, relax, relax.